Okay, the purpose of this video is we're demonstrating how this Breville Barista Express 870 model is leaking all over the place. As you can see, there's no drip tray here right now, but it is completely dry right here. The drip tray is a bit damp because I just washed it. As you can see, there's hardly anything in this drip tray. I'm going to insert the drip tray. I'm going to be pulling a double shot measured at 18 grams. A bit of dust in the grinder. As you can see, it's empty. We'll wipe that. Nice and dry. Go tamp this. As you can see, it's nicely tamped. So double shot, and we're using the pre-programmed settings. It's supposed to be about just under 2 ounces on the pre-programmed. Okay, this is a measuring cup, and as we can see, the fourth line there is 2 ounces. So here we go. We're going to do our extraction. So this is supposed to be between 25 and 35 seconds. We're getting water out of the bottom already, and we're still stuck in the pre-infusion. And it's brewing. We didn't even get out of the pre-infusion. And it finished at less than 1 ounce of coffee. Now, I've had this machine for a couple of days now, and when we first started making coffee, it was fine. No problems, no leakage. And now all of a sudden, I'm getting more water out of the back than I am getting into the coffee. So I'm going to pull that out of here. I'm going to put this into the free flow because I normally have an Americano, sorry, and it usually has been up to about 8 ounces in the past. Okay, let's see how much we get this time. Okay, we're still getting water out of the back of the machine here. It's dripping, just a constant drip, 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 drip. Camera should be picking that up back there. Okay, we're getting water here out of the side. It's not just out of the back of the machine, it's coming from out of the side. Okay, and it stops at 6 ounces. And it's still dripping. It's going drip, 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 drip. But this is what I'm worried about here is the double shot only being 1 ounce. And we didn't even get beyond pre-infusion. So obviously the machine's having trouble making doing some pressure. So I'm going to pull these away. These over here. Alright, let's see what's in this drip tray. Okay, it's still dripping, so that's because yeah, which is fine. So it stayed dry under there, except for the little parts that are dripping right now. Too much water. I mean, this is expected to have some water in here, but yeah, that's about normal. And it was tamped properly, as you can see. Right? I mean, the puck is fine. That's a proper puck. I mean, if it wasn't tamped properly, that puck wouldn't have formed properly. It would have been nice and looser. Right? So I mean, it still is a little loose, but I don't know what to say. And we're still getting water out of the back here. Let's just try something. I'm going to tip the machine backwards, see how much water I get out of the back. Look at this. It shouldn't be leaking like that. And it's not coming out of here because it's absolutely dry up here. The connection point between the water tank and the unit itself. There's no leak there. So whatever is leaking and not allowing pressure buildup is coming from inside the mechanisms of the machine.